This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup with frozen vegetables. Begin by sautéing chopped onion and garlic in a large pot until fragrant, then add a tablespoon of oil. Add your frozen vegetables directly to the pot and stir to combine. Pour in broth to cover, bring to a simmer, and cook until vegetables are tender. Finish with salt, pepper, and a splash. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure 4 cups of broth, 1 to 2 bags of frozen vegetables, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of oil. Have salt, pepper, and a fresh herb like parsley or a dried substitute nearby. If you like a creamier soup, prepare a half cup of milk or cream to stir in at the end. Heat the pot over medium, sautéing onion and garlic in oil until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the frozen vegetables and toss to coat, then pour in broth to cover by an inch. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until vegetables are tender and flavors meld. Taste and adjust salt, add herbs, and optionally blend part for a thicker texture before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.